Welcome back. And now for the latest on that massive blaze. It's been more than 24 hours since a series of explosions shook the ground at Pulgaon Central Armament Depot in Maharashtra. The overnight fire raged through India's biggest weapons stockpile, and the death toll has also reached 19, with the bodies of 2 more personnel that have been discovered in the overnight operations. This blaze began at 1:30 a.m. at a shed in the depot on Tuesday morning. Ammunition stored and distributed from Pulgaon includes AK-47s, BrahMos missiles, grenades, shells and other explosives from various factories. Well, the cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained, but a team that will be probing the fire have already reached the site, and they have already begun their investigations. While Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar visited all those injured, he did mention that sabotage is now only a speculation as of now. The incident, however, has caused a huge concern.
याची इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इन्क्वायरी आम्ही घोषित केलेली आहे. 16 lives lost. They have actually sacrificed to ensure that the fire does not spread. They contain the fire. जो उसका कारण है वो कारण आर्मी की इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट होने के बाद समझ जाएगा.
We are just outside CAD, the Central Arms Depot here in Pulgaon. You can see behind me the buildings where arms and ammunition and other explosives are stored. Just the extreme left of mine is the shed. You can see that shed. In that shed only on 31st midnight at around 1:30 a.m. a massive blast took place, and in that blast that shed was completely demolished, and now you can see the other shed are still intact while that particular shed is completely destroyed. We are with us is our few locals of this particular area. They live in nearby villages. आप लोगों को कभी लगता है कोई सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न? आप लोगों को लगता है कि आप लोग इतने नज़दीक में रहते हैं इस आर्म डिपो के, कोई सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न लगा? आप लोगों को नहीं लगता कि यहाँ से दूर रहना चाहिए?
हमको ऐसा लगता है, लेकिन हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनका जो एरिया है उन्हें लेना चाहिए, हमको यानी मोकला कर देना चाहिए.
Clearly people are afraid. However, it's almost more than 24 hours, 36 hours indeed, and you can see behind me fire and is under control now. No smoke is coming out from that shed, and now the administration are confirming us that situation is under control, and they have sanitized the entire area and the area is secured. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Pulgaon for India Today.
Months after a fire broke out at the Deonar dumping ground, another fire broke out at a dumping ground, and this time this fire has been reported from Kalyan. It's now been over 12 hours since the fire broke at the dumping ground, and what we're getting to hear that it is yet to be doused completely. More than 14 fire engines and 12 water tankers have already been pressed into service. This dumping ground is also surrounded by residential areas, and more than 2,000 residents have already been shifted to safer places because of the smoke emanating from the fire. Smoke has spread up to a 2-kilometer radius from the site, and many locals are now complaining of breathing and respiratory problems as well. Residents claim that they had been asking the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation to shift the dumping ground site after multiple fires had been reported in the past.
जो आग लगी है वो हमेशा वहाँ पे लगती है. दूसरी बार हो गया है आग लगी वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे जो धुआं पूरा हो गया है. आग अभी तो बुझी गई नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे आने जाने को भी तकलीफ हो रहा है. वहाँ के घरों में धुआं.